Incubator, Accelerator, and Equity Venture. Why? Because their role, of course, in nurturing innovation early is very critical. So we have in total 5 categories where we want to distinguish a winner. And these are best digital health solution, incubator accelerator, as just said, and in the field of startups, 3 categories, the category of biotech, medtech, and digital health. We had a record number of submissions, over 65 from all around the world, covering 12 therapeutic areas. Each nominated product or technology is a testament to each company's commitment to humanity and a true celebration of the hard work it takes to disrupt, to produce life-changing interventions. These are the reasons why we should be optimistic about the future. So I want to congratulate all the nominees that you will see soon on the screen. Now picture this, when we try to assess the most promising innovations among the best emerging companies of the year, it is a humongous task. It is a fascinating task, but it's also an humbling one. To that effect, we assembled a jury who could cope with that kind of pressure. And those members need no introduction. I guess you're going to see them in a short video. But they have been chosen as people who have helped to shape our industry over the years, people who have the experience and passion for picking, selecting, nurturing early innovations. And I cannot thank enough the members of the jury who each and every year, pro bono, spend the time to review these detailed applications. Let's introduce my esteemed colleagues of the jury for this short video.
Bernard Poussot, Director of Roche Holding, former Chairman and CEO Wyeth, Committee Chair. Roch D'Oliva, Honorary CEO UCB. Michael Dolston, Global R&D President Pfizer. Jean-Pierre Gagnier, former CEO GSK. Alex Gorski, former CEO and Executive Chairman Johnson & Johnson. Penny Heaton, Global Therapeutic Area Head IDV, Vaccines, Janssen Pharmaceuticals R&D. Sherry McCoy, Board of Directors, AstraZeneca. Chair of the Board, Certara. Francois Maison-Rouge, Senior Managing Director, Evercore Partners. Joel Marcus, Executive Chairman and Founder, Alexandria Real Estate Equities Incorporated, Alexandria Venture Investments. Elias Zerhouni, former Head of Global R&D, Sanofi.
I am very happy to have Penny Heaton with us today, and I will invite her to join me in a minute to give the award to our winners.
Please welcome Penny Heaton, Global Therapeutic Area Head, Vaccine Janssen, and Galien Award Committee member.
So I need to add that for each award category, a subcommittee or advisory board needed to be formed to help us pre-select those many applications. So on behalf of the jury, I want to make the opportunity to thank, and there are some here, thank all the members of the subcommittees or advisory boards in question for their invaluable investment of time, knowledge, experience. Really big thank you from the jury. Lastly, I want to address my personal thanks to the Galien Foundation and its chairman, Bruno Cohen, for continuing to reveal through these awards the hard work of the innovative industry and your personal achievements in the most rigorous and visible way. So let's proceed now, and we will start with the first category, the most recently introduced, the incubator and accelerator category. And I'm delighted first to share the list of nominees in that category. So for the first time, we invited the incubators to send us applications. Here are the nominees.
The nominees in the category Best Incubator Accelerator Equity are AIM High Accelerator Fund, AION Labs, aMoon Fund, BioLabs and LabCentral, Consuli Incorporated with Windfall, Design Technologies LLC with ELabNYC, ABCT, WCBA, and Next Milestone. Dynamk Capital LLC. FUTURE4CARE Accelerator. Johnson & Johnson Innovation, JLABS. Matter Startup Incubation. mHUBMedTech Accelerator. The Novartis Biome. Scripps Research Bench to Bedside Model. The IB Accelerator. Villgro Africa. Walgreens Clinical Trials.
And the winner is BioLabs and LabCentral. Tell you what the jury like in the case. The fact that you put the quality of science first in your selection reviews and support. You built the largest network today in terms of incubation with more than 18 sites in 14 cities, 9 states, 4 countries. You have helped with this base since your inception in 2013, more than 300 companies. Those companies have been able to raise $19 billion, including 6 in 2021. Nice trajectory. 18 IPOs since 2013. And a good number of great stories, names like Pandion, Affiliates, Vedanta, Navitor, Acus, even Moderna started their work in Cambridge in early 2010 on your premises. So striking, in short, good support you got from the jury for the support. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I want to extend enormous thanks to the Galien Foundation for this honor. Look at this plaque. It's an incredible privilege to be recognized by an organization that is truly at the forefront of scientific advocacy and education around the world. We're also humbled to be among the many exceptional companies nominated that are doing such amazing work to advance human health and save lives. This award is validation of the mission. We began a little over 10 years ago to create scientific spaces and communities that fuel innovation and ultimately accelerate startups' ideas into life-saving realities. We're now tracking more than 80 active clinical trials and over 7,000 patients that were treated with drugs invented or developed at our labs. So this recognition is really about the hundreds of startups we've hosted so far and their ability to innovate and push new scientific boundaries. They are the reason that we're here today, and this remarkable milestone will help cement the possibility for many more breakthroughs to come. Many thanks again to the Galien Foundation, and also a huge thanks to the entire team at BioLabs and LabCentral. We have a bunch of them here. Raise your hands. This is your moment.
Wonderful. Congratulations again. I was so impressed when I was reading the submission. Truly amazing work that's been accomplished by BioLabs. But now moving on to the next category, digital health, digital diagnostics. You know, the digital age is changing our everyday life. And it's not just about my Apple Watch and trying to make sure that I got all my steps in today and what my resting heart rate is, but it's about so much more than that. Digital age has the power to transform the way that patients interact with their health and with the healthcare system, because it's making health and healthcare much more accessible, much more cost-effective, and it's truly putting the patient at the center. The jury has absolutely been thrilled with the diversity and also the very high quality of the nominees for the digital health solution. So without any further comments, and I don't want to keep you in suspense any longer, let's put up the nominees for the digital health category, please, at this time. Take it away. The winner is...
The nominees in the category Best Digital Health Solution are MouthLab Monitoring System, Aidar Health Incorporated. Red Dot V2 Clinical Analysis Software, Behold.ai. BioDigit Home, Biosensix. Butterfly IQ Plus, Butterfly Network Incorporated. IDXDR, Digital Diagnostics Incorporated. Exsentia's end-to-end AI-driven precision medicine platform, Exsentia. Flow.is. Medable Decentralized Clinical Trials Platform, Medable. Ginko, Nova Discovery. Patientory Incorporated. NanoScreen, TheraPixel. VizLVO, Viz.ai.
Okay, now the moment of truth, and the winner is the winner of the 2022 Prix Galien USA for Best Category in Best Digital Health Solution is Exsentia. So before we have comments, I do want to just say why we chose Exsentia, and it really has to do with the looking at precision medicine for the individual patient. Truly transformative. something that is so cutting edge and can really transform the AI drug discovery platform. So for that incredible vision and that incredible courage and that incredible insight, we awarded this award to you. So please come and make a few comments.
Accepting the award on behalf of Excensia, Sarah Sherman, Vice President Investor Relations.
Wow. First of all, thank you to the Galien Foundation and Business France for this honor, and congratulations to the fellow nominees for really blazing the new trails, the intersection between technology and healthcare. Excensia is humbled to receive this recognition. To each and every employee who made this possible, thank you. Every day you bring boundless intellectual curiosity and determination to pioneer something truly consequential for public health. Thanks to your ingenuity, we created a platform that can upend traditional drug discovery by helping to identify the right drug targets, design the right molecules, collect the right data, and ultimately select the right patients who may benefit. Together, we've been able to bring the first AI-developed molecules into clinical trials, and we've developed the first AI-driven functional precision medicine platform to guide treatment selection and improve cancer treatment outcomes. We've come so far in our work to revolutionize how medicines are discovered and made, and we're just getting started. For Excensia, this award is a recognition not only of our work, but also of the enormous potential that AI holds to transform the industry, and how our industry discovers, designs, and develops drugs to achieve better, faster outcomes for patients at a significantly lower cost to society. The day is coming when we believe all medicines will be designed by harnessing the computational power of AI. At Excensia, we're proud to be leading the way. Thank you again.
My notes said disruptively beautiful. Let's now go into the next category. We enter now the startups awards category, and the first one is biotech startup best. So let me just first invite to see the nominees for this award. Those are the young biotechnology startups.
The nominees in the category Best Startup in Pharmaceuticals and Biotechnology are Akemia, AION Biotech, Bremis Pharma, CTI Biotech, Curie Therapeutics, Deca Biosciences, Diaccurate, Genoscience, Hummingbird Bioscience, Maya Biotechnology, Parthenon Therapeutics, Recode Therapeutics, Smart Immune,
And the winner of this category, Best Biotech Startup, goes to AION Biotech. So the problem that this company is trying to tackle is the corneal edema secondary to endothelial dysfunction in the human eye. It's a sight-threatening and debilitating affection that touches millions of people. The interesting thing is we are each born with a certain set of epithelial cells that we cannot regenerate ourselves. And obviously we lose some of that through trauma, infection, sometimes surgeries. You cannot replace and regenerate those. Their breakthrough came when they were able to replicate those cells in the lab. And so their technology is making those cells and being able to inject them in the human eye to recover and provide those cells we cannot generate ourselves. One donor can produce enough cells for 100 recipients, which is also very striking. So it's a great story. You have 3-year data already. It works, and it's holding its promises. Brilliant.
Accepting the award on behalf of AION Biotech, Greg Kunz, CEO AION Biotech.
Thank you very much. Humble thanks to the Prix Galien Award Committee for conferring this incredible honor to AION Biotech. I'm delighted to be here today and to represent the patients, employees, scientists, and physicians associated with AION Biotech. I've devoted my entire career to bring innovative ophthalmology products to patients in need. I joined AION Biotech because I knew that we had a transformational opportunity to positively affect the lives of millions of people suffering from corneal endothelial diseases with a remarkable sight-restoring therapy. I also know just being invited to participate in the Prix Galien award process is a huge honor for our company and for any company. The Prix Galien is known throughout the world for its ability this organization to shine a bright light on the most important, impactful innovations in medicine, biotechnology, healthcare, and the life sciences. Never in a million years did we imagine that AION Biotech would win this award. On behalf of our patients, our employees, our investors, and the millions of people who suffer from corneal endothelial disease, AION Biotech is honored to accept this award. Thank you very much.
And next is MedTech Startup. So the nominees for the Best MedTech Startup are going to be on video. First, the advisory committee that reviewed, and then the nominees.
The nominees in the category Best Startup in Medical Technology are Acorii, Decente, Dinocardia, ELAB, iSerum, Imaginostics, Quantum Surgical, Remedy Labs, Robote, Standard Bariatrics, Veloce Corporation,
And the envelope, please. And the winner is, for category Best Startup MedTech, is Quantum Surgical. So I wanted to share why we chose Quantum Surgical. The reason we're giving the award today to Quantum is for its Epion medical robot that's that is designed to treat minimally invasive liver cancer. And specifically, we want to acknowledge just the solid medical evidence that you all have accumulated and also the amazing milestones. The first preclinical trial in 2019, the first in human in 2021, and now with post-marketing studies ongoing. So truly an amazing accomplishment. Congratulations again.
Wow, so thank you very much. It's a great privilege for a South France-based company to be awarded with this Galien Award. So it's a great privilege for me as well because I represent the CEO who couldn't make it at the last minute. So I've got no text, but I'm super pleased for the whole team. So you mentioned some key milestones. It's true that within 5 years, so the company was founded just 5 years ago, and we've managed to develop a robotic platform, have, the first clinical trials, the first in human surgery in the University Hospital of Montpellier, where we're based. And just this year, it's a magic year, I think, for Quantum, because we sold the first robot to Institut Gustave Roussy, which is the third most famous cancer hospital in the world. And we also had the 510K approval, so soon we'll be in the US with the robotic platform. And I think the main milestone we reached this year is that 100 patients have benefited from Epion, and those patients could not have been operated otherwise. So we're not there to have another trendy, fashionable robot. We're really there to standardize the treatment of liver cancer in a minimally manner and in a reproducible manner, and a robot which can be used by any interventional radiologist and not just the top-notch. Okay, so that's our mission. So that as many cancer patients can benefit from that treatment. So thank you very much for the award.
Thank you for bringing an elegant solution to an ugly problem. We are coming now to the last category to the award, and that's the digital health startup category. So let's first introduce the nominees.
The nominees in the category Best Startup in Digital Health are ABCT, Acuity Interactive, BlockQ, Cardio Signal, Fifth Eye, MedXprim, MindMix, Occam's Razor, Pentavere, Sec1 Genomics, Synsight, We Fight.
And the winner of this category is Acuity Interactive. From Acuity, we are not able, due to last minute invitations, to be with us today. But let me tell you what they've done and why the jury put them first. They've concentrated on impairments in cognition, from autism to Alzheimer's, of course, to ADHD, etc., and all these serious, very serious afflictions that the industry is wrestling with these days. 85 million people in the United States, just for that country. So the treatments have minimum efficacy at best, and in their case, they developed through digital technology a therapeutic solution. It's actually the first prescribed video game for children with ADHD approved by the FDA. They are able to target the exact places in the brain to stimulate memory. So a very specific, very ecologic way to get to where you want to touch the human body. So I think it's a beautiful design. It's the first of a long series of digital tools that will help getting at the heart of memory functioning in the human brain, and it's just the first of a long series. That's why the jury wanted to reward it. So congratulations to Kitty, great job, fantastic. So that's it, we're done. I just want to thank you very much for attending this presentation. I think it's a great way to support, to reward our nominees, but also our winners. This morning to have you all celebrating with us. We will do something a little bit shorter tonight, just to give them also the stage in front of the larger audience. I want to thank all the nominees. You can understand why this jury is so excited when each summer we receive those pre-selected applications. The technology, the science, the enthusiasm, the energy is palpable. So this has been a great way for us to see what's coming, not just for today, but what medicine will look in 2030 and following. I want to thank also the staff of Business France and the Galien Foundation, who does a lot of hard work in that. Thank you in particular for your hours and days of work. So in summary, vibrant amount of propositions. I think we're all excited about those nominees, but also the winners. We wish everybody very well. We just hope that everybody will make it to the finish line because it's too exciting to pass on. So good luck to everybody, and we'll see you next year. Penny, thank you for being with me. Hey.